Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FB dating option not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So you have to tap on these three lines. So here you can see guys, it's not showing here FB dating option. If it's showing here, then you will be able to use this option. So as you can see guys, it's not showing here. So how can you fix this issue? Just simply close this page. So after that guys, just simply make sure that you have an updated version. So just simply open App Store, Play Store, and here you have to search for FB. So you have to search for FB here. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here open option. If it's showing here update, just simply update your Facebook app. And after that guys, just simply open setting, and then you have to clear cache or clear storage, and then you have to log in your account again and then check whether your POM has been fixed or not. And if a POM is there, then it means you are not above 18. Okay guys, so you have to check your date of birth you have given in Facebook. Just simply check your date of birth and make sure that you are above 18. If you are above 18 and it's not showing there, then it means your country is not eligible for these options. Okay guys, so this option is showing some countries but it's not showing in some countries. So you have to change your country first. So you have to change country to the add country in which this option is showing. Just simply open Play Store, and then you have to tap on your profiles. Now you have to tap on payment and subscriptions. Now tap on payment method. Now from here just simply more payment settings, and from here just simply you have to select your country. Okay guys, just simply change the country to another one, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.